Hello my darlings, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Today we have more Easter decor made on a budget. DIY number 1. I found this cute little crate basket from a thrift store. I paid $2.50 for it and I'm applying ink Waverly chalk on it. I'm applying until whole basket is covered with this color. Gun for a speedy dry, and now when it's all dry I'm using this IOD beautiful transfer on stickers on the side of my crate, just like so. Super easy and super cute. Different transfer on sticker on the other side of my crate. And my crate should be done. Perfect for Easter decoration, perfect for spring, perfect for all year around. You gotta let me know what do you think, and if you like these transfer on stickers on my ink chalk paint. When all that is done, I'm using a white antique wax from Plaid, going all over just to get that extra detail and get the protection. And now I'm rubbing it off with a towel, just like so. And that's it for this basket. Let me know what do you think. Look how beautiful, vintage, classy, with all those flowers from Dollar Tree came. Today I'm so happy that I'm a part of one of my favorite challenge, 5 Under 5, hosted by my amazing, talented, beautiful friends Emily and Missi, and this month guest host is Tami. These 3 ladies I love so much. Not that they're just so talented creators, they're such a good souls, good friends. If you haven't watched them, you gotta watch them because you're gonna fall in love in all 3 ladies. Emily from Farm Charm Chic, she is creating beautiful home decor and she is amazing. Missi from Crafty Cove DIY, beautiful home decor, an amazing lady as well. And Tami from Happiness Created, amazing talented lady, and I love her too. Links from their channels in my description box, along with the amazing playlist with so many talented friends. With that being said, we're jumping into DIY number 2. I'm using this book stack from Dollar Tree. I'm painting it with a white Waverly chalk paint, going all over until it's all fully covered. When it's dry, I'm gonna use these beautiful stencils from A Makers, and I'm gonna use the bunny when it says, "May we never lose our wonder," Jeremiah 29:11. I'm using a ink Waverly chalk paint, going all over the stencil, just like so. I'm using the scraper just to make sure the whole design is on my book stack, and look how beautiful it came out. Next, I'm using this black and white tassel that I found in my stack, and also I'm doing distressing with the ink paint all over the book stack. I glued that on top. Also I added some 3D stickers from Dollar Tree, and that's it for this DIY. You gotta let me know what do you think. DIY number 3, I'm gonna use these stamps that I got from IOD, and I'm gonna apply them on a large canvas. I got that canvas from Hobby Lobby last year for $9. They came with a pack of 4. And now I'm just applying a black apple barrel paint, going all over the stamp, and I'm just gonna apply it on the canvas. Doesn't need to be perfect. I wanna look like a vintage, and I'm just trying it on. It's like a printing of some kind of old newspaper, the whole set of these stamps. I just wanted to see how it looked. I never tried them before. Just applying the black paint and use the stamp on the canvas. Just make that vintage look on it, like an old newspaper. canvas is covered with my stamps. I'm adding these two beautiful signs from Dollar Tree. I'm really loving them. I didn't want to do anything with them. I glue them on top of my canvas frame, and I also add those chains to cover the holes on those signs, gluing them on top, just like so. And that's it for this DIY. You gotta let me know, what do you think? I'm really loving how vintage and beautiful it came out. I'm really loving these two signs from Dollar Tree. You gotta let me know, what do you think? For DIY number 4, I found this cute bunny at thrift store for $2.50. And first I'm gonna apply a Mod Podge because it's like a porcelain, and I don't have a problem when I apply a chalk paint on my bunny. So Mod Podge is a good solution. After I painted with the ink Waverly chalk paint, I'm also gonna apply a white antique wax. And that's it for this remake. You gotta let me know, what do you think? Do you like the color that I apply on this bunny? I'm really loving it, and it matched with my skin today. And for my last DIY, I'm making this beautiful sign. Previously, I painted that egg sign from Dollar Tree with a white Waverly chalk paint. And now I'm gonna decoupage this beautiful bunny that I also got from IOD. Beautiful decoupage sheet. Adding a Mod Podge and applying it on my sign, just like so, until I center it right. Playing with it until it's all nice and smooth, just like so. As you know, I love to decoupage, and I always have so much fun with it and create beautiful things. Using my plaid roller, adding some extra Mod Podge, and look how cute it looks. I cut off the ears on top to match my sign. Applying extra Mod Podge to seal my sign. Look how cute. Look at this bunny. He's so handsome. Now I'm making him a bow. I got this brown ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm just making a simple loop, and I'm tying it, and that's it. So our Mr. Bunny is ready to go to party for Easter. He's so handsome. I am also applying antique wax all over my sign to make it like a vintage farmhouse rustic look. And I am really loving how it came out. Look how beautiful it came out. I added those beautiful Easter signs also from Dollar Tree. Look how cute they look. Perfect with my Mr. Bunny. What a beautiful Easter high-end look. And here is the final reveal from all those beauties that I made today. You gotta let me know, what do you think? And for less than $25, I made a beautiful Easter decor. Some of them can be throughout the whole year. I'm really loving it. I love the color combination. Look at those beautiful flowers, also from Dollar Tree. And let me know, what do you think? Give me your thoughts before I let you go. To finish watching my final reveal, don't forget to check out my amazing friends Emily, Missi, Tami, and all those beautiful talented creators in the playlist. Ladies, thank you again for another amazing month. Love you. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.